Welcome students to the second lesson. Here we learn about visual programming. It is a type of programming which primarily focuses on the logic and the problem-solving skills of the students. The visual programming is basically block-based programming platform developed for students and the early learners, while keeping in mind that they don't have to worry about the syntax and the typing mistakes while writing the code. So it is very easy to pick up for the new learners to start coding in visual programming and to understand the logic and other things that are required to be a good programmer. Many universities like Universities of Berkeley teaches on block-based coding platform. To perform block-based coding, we need a platform where we can write the codes using blocks. Here comes the myAImate playground. The innovative and feature-loaded software that helps you in writing codes in a very easy manner. Feature like Code Analyzer helps you to evaluate your own code without any bias. Functionalities of artificial intelligence adds more feathers to the hat of myAImate playground. Now, for detailed information, Manish will teach you how to access and use myAImate playground.
Hello students, welcome to the fun part of this course. My name is Manish and I will be guiding you through myAImate playground. Using myAImate playground, you will be able to make simple programs like calculators, counters, as well as complex programs like Fruit Ninja game, home automation game, and Alexa-like chatbots also. So let's start the exciting journey. As you see on the myAImate playground window, it is divided into various sections. We have code templates, costume templates, and sound templates on the left hand side. Then in the center area, we have the code editor window, and on the right hand side, we have the stage area, and on the bottom right area, we have the various controls on Sprite and stages also. So we will be going through this all one by one. So first of all, let's discuss the templates area. Code. In this, we have the templates for codes, costumes, and sounds, which are categorically divided according to their functionalities like motion blocks, looks, events, sounds, controls, sensing, etc. Then in the costumes, we have various costumes for the sprite that we upload or select. We can create our own sprite by drawing them just like the Microsoft Paint tool. Okay, now let's talk about sound. In the sound, we can upload different sounds, we can record our own sound, we can select any sound effect that is available on the myAImate playground. So, now let's talk about the code editor window. In this area, whatever code you will be writing, we will be writing the code here. So, how to select a block? I'll go there and select this one and just drag and drop it here. So this is how you write the code in the code editor window. Select another one, attach to this one. This is how you write the code here. Now, you have the option of zooming in, zooming out, and fit to screen also. Now, on the top navigation bar, you have the option of files, where you can create a new file and upload any file from your computer and save this current file to your desktop or computer. Now, to the next we have the option of Code Analyzer. So Code Analyzer is a very innovative tool that myAImate has developed for you, where you can analyze your own code on different parameters. Here, there are 7 parameters on which you can analyze yourself, and this analysis is done without any bias. Now let's talk about the stage area. Whatever code you will be writing, its execution will be displayed in this stage area. So this stage area can be maximized from this button, and again you can minimize it from this button. So now let's talk about the various controls of the sprites and the backstage. In the sprite, you can select any sprite from the collection of the myAImate, or like this, you can select any sprite from this area. Now the other option that you have is of choosing a sprite or painting a sprite by your own. You can go here, you can paint your own sprite. Here we go. You can paint your own sprite like that. Yes, this is how you can paint your own sprite. Okay, now coming back, to the other options. You can upload any image from your collection also. Now let's talk about stage. So same options and controls you have for the background also. Choosing a backdrop, painting a backdrop, selecting a backdrop by random, or uploading a backdrop. Okay. Now let's talk about the additional feature that myAImate has added for you. Here in this section, you can see that you have the option of QR code scanner, object detection, sentiment analysis, speech to text, and FaceNet, Classify Me, Magic Hands also. So these extensions help you in creating various interesting projects very easily. Now I'll show you one project which is my favorite. See how this bulb is being controlled with these balls, which are controlled by my fingers. Isn't it amazing? We will be making a lot of these amazing projects in the myAImate playground. Thank you dear students.
Well, Manish took care of that very nicely. In this lesson, we have learned what is visual programming, and we have seen working demonstration of myAImate playground. Hope to see ahead in next lesson where we learn about basics of visual programming. Thank you very much.